again to another adventure.
Should have videotaped the equipment stuff earlier. Nice, interesting content.
It'd be very interesting, but this guy is trying to kill us in the ditch.
Second day on the trip.
That's why the first moment we trust him in driving, but I could do this all day.
Up on that string, we do have to, take the shortcut.
Ah, yeah.
Go up the road to be directed again. That's how we need it, we need it to be directed.
Okay, now we're in Seljalandsfoss. Seljalandsfoss. We gotta take it easy. Trying to get some food. Gotta find a grocery store. Okay, now we're in downtown of Seljalandsfoss. Look at this. Look at this Iceland.
The end of the town here.
Okay. Is it open?
Yeah, it's open. It's yellow with a pink nail.
Hey guys, we are finally here. Wow, this magnificence here.
We're under the waterfall right now. Guys, we are camera, I got it a little bit.
Qua waterfall ở đâu là hai chị đi ra trên mới.
Guys, we are at the biggest waterfall right now. This guy's gonna come back midnight.
tired?
No, not really. I'm okay. I could do this all day. Any day.
Next waterfall look like? We can't go down there, there's no point.
You know, I tell you what the next waterfall look like? It's just gonna look like water.
God will start you off small with the wheel through your journey. Look at where you end. You end with a big fall. What does that say?
I think we should keep going.
What do you think about life?
I pray that the mist will just swipe us away to
Life is up and down.
That'd be cool.
Talking about mist teleporting him somewhere else.
Yeah.
Any day.
Mist just swifted.
You already know the future. Why are you talking about
Where do you
mist?
want to go? Beside this place.
Different dimension.
What other dimension?
Are you not happy with where God put you at?
I know God has all the power. He has the introduce. This is creation.
You're the God of miracles.
It's a miracle. Look at it. It's coming to our way. Look at it. We're in a cloud.
We're above the cloud. They look down for cloud. But look, they have us. They have a clip on their ears. Yeah, they got tagged.
So they're farmers.
They're in wild.
This is our fourth day of the trip.
Any day.
The first thing we are going to Reykjavik, and we are gonna go see. Hi.
I could do this all day.
Explore what's going on there. Probably Gaza, and then there's this waterfall. Not enough waterfall. There's second day eventually. So we're gonna go see more waterfall because we're here to see waterfall. Am I right or am I right? Absolutely right. So bye. See you at the trip.
Niagara Falls or this one?
Niagara Falls.
Yeah. This one just have more scenery. The sun is out. The sun is out. Okay, bro. Do your
That's what happened when
do your trick. Do your jump and then.
I could do this all day.
The sun makes me happy.
It was sad that you slept in the car.
Regular Ở đâu Willy? Ở đâu bé ra? Là bữa rồi đi bắt hà rồi.
Hà cứ ăn mà làm chết đó. No,
Tell them how much I have to pay.
Đó là cái này mà tới là đúng rồi, bây giờ là chưa rồi.
Yeah. Yeah.
Cái cái này problem không? Có chỉ có bên này. Cái này bây giờ cứ ăn mà làm chết.
I could do this all day.
The ferry car, I have a lot of change. They're trying to scam me.
What do you think?
No, I don't know how to read. I can go to ferry Niagara Falls for way less than price and get a better view.